I am Dr. Tyagi, MSc Botany, PhD in Botany, and MCA and MA English, B.Ed and M.Ed both. Today I am discussing allergy. This is it is very important question. It is the malfunction of immune system. What is allergy? Allergy is a breathing is a process or sneezing. They all belong to the immune system. Immune system produce allergy. I show special response. It is called allergy. Autoimmunity at by autocells attack pathogen foreign pathogen that is called autoimmunity, and autoimmunity is caused by memory cells that is produced antibody, and by the antibody they differentiated the cells for autoimmunity. Immune system, it contains various parts. यहाँ जाओ. In it contain lymphoid organ, first lymph nodes, then thymus gland, then lymph node vessel. Lymphoid organ, there are various of types. Lymph nodes called as primary lymph organs. Spleen is a bean-like structure. It is a bean-like structure and it forms antibody and it against the allergy. A bone marrow, it is also a called of immune system. Bone marrow is found in the bone, and the bone marrow forms. It is used for transplantation in cancer, because if bone marrow is transplanted in the same species, in the same caste, then they form the RBC and blood cancer is stopped. ये मैं अपना बोल रहा हूँ. Second is spleen. It is bean-shaped structure, lymph cells, and falls in blood vessels. Lymph glands, in smaller structure they are spleens. It catch foreign body. Malt, it is very important organ, my dear students. Actually it is mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. Mucosal autocyte lymphoid tissue forms various antibodies. That is transplantation. Transplantation of the organ is a very important topic nowadays. If any accident takes place, then transplantation occurs. When functional organs is grafted or they are transferred to another organ, that organs can be given transplantation, and they are called donor, and who accept the transplantation, that is called donor. That is called recipient. Another type of organism is called autograft. It is cloned in the same organ. When the organ of the organism is transplanted, next is allograft. Same organ that is done. Isograft, that is takes place, contains same kind of grafting in the different caste, in the different species, or you can say the different hereditary characters. Second is genograft. It is very important. If the organ is taken from one caste to the another caste, that is called genograft. हो गया. Nowadays kidney and heart both are grafting, and kidney grafted, problem of grafting, that is heart transplant is done, and it should be completed within 4 hours. Next is pancreas grafting. It takes place with the help of kidney. When kidney is transplanted, then when kidney is transplanted, then pancreas is grafted. The medicine which is given for this, first is cyclosporin, cyclosporin or supercent issued with kidney heart transplantation. So, immune problem of organ transplantation is first the grafting cannot be done very easily, and the organs are not available very easily. They can be grafted only in the same organism, respective organ, and transplantation of heart and very difficult, and money problem is also a great problem because it is very costly. Next is appendicular skeleton. It is another type of skeleton. It is pectoral girdle. Pectoral girdle is found between two arms. Between two arms, you can see in this diagram, it is a coracoid process. Second is acromion process. Third is sigmoid cavity. Fourth is lateral body. Sixth is inferior reach. Fourth is process board. Second is median structure. Pectoral girdle is very important. It contains very important organs and heart is safe with them. Now we see pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle contains ilium, ischium, and sacrum. Both fuse to each other and they form a structure known as acetabulum. In acetabulum, if we see the study of forearm, then glenoid cavity. In glenoid cavity, there is fit a bone known as humerus, and in hind, it is not forelimb, it is hind limb. It contains tibia, fibula, tarsals, metatarsals, humerus, etc. And this is pelvic girdle. It is found in lower limb. In the lower limb or in the hand, first is femur, second is femur, lateral condyle, patella, and tarsal. Bas.